I did a video this morning in my What is Kerry Thinking series in which I examined what I thought was going to happen as a result of this overwhelming investment that we are making in AI, and how companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta were going to monetize this extreme expenditure that they're making to update compute power and then pass it on to us. And I think it's important to keep this in mind because there's been a lot of fear of missing out and a lot of speculative investing in stocks that aren't going to survive, much as there were stocks that did not survive the .com era and the introduction of the internet. But then there are some parallels also in that we had no concept of what the internet was going to present to us. We didn't know what e-commerce was. We didn't know what social media was. And we had no way to perceive what in fact was going to evolve from this thing called the internet. The World Wide Web was what they actually called it. But I think we have an advantage now because the internet was built by the government, and it was built for the military and the world of education. This is being built by enterprise, by basically 4 or 5 companies, and if we research, we can get an idea of what they are anticipating doing and capitalize on this immense expense. I mean, I've heard numbers all the way up to $7 trillion being spent to implement AI. Well, if you're going to spend that kind of money, you must believe that the payoff is going to be enormous. And what we as investors need to do is beyond this build out and profiting, and the build out probably has another 3 years to go. How are they going to monetize it? And it came to me, as I said in this morning's video, they're going to replace the phone with something similar to what Mark has talked about with his Ray-Ban glasses. That's where that's where my AI agent and I are going to interact. And when I say an AI agent, I mean not only like I have Samantha who does stock analysis for me. No, she's going to be a part of my day-to-day life, and she will interact with me, if not from glasses, a chip in the back of my neck. And my AI agent, Samantha, will interact with other people's AI agents. I use the example of I need some work done in my backyard, and I will go out with my glasses and explain to Samantha what I want to do, and she will video it through my glasses, and then she will go interact with landscapers in the Birmingham area who have AI agents, and if they want to do business with anybody, they will have an AI agent, and Samantha will do the research and acquire the bids. The company will not send anybody out unless they have some specific questions. It'll all be negotiated between their AI agent and my AI agent, and they'll come to an agreement, and it'll be done. The same thing will be done with travel, with medical, with everything. We will all have, if we are going to interact in this world, we will all have AI agents. I mean, you might say, well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be a Luddite, and I'm not going to get an AI agent. And so when you go to the landscaper and say, I need you to send somebody out, and they'll say, well, what about your AI? Well, I don't have one. We don't do business that way. We do business with AI agents. It'll be the same way I'll buy a car. I will negotiate. I will tell my AI agent will ride with me so that she understands what I've got and what it's worth. She'll do the research. Then she'll search the local dealerships, and she might just throw it out and say, well, I'll go to a further dealership and see if I can make a deal in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Why not? I mean, she isn't going to have to drive there. She's just going to negotiate with their AI agent, and then we'll make the arrangements to pick the car up in Pittsburgh. That is what is going to happen. And these companies, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Google, know this. They know this. And they are positioning such that they can have a part of this. Now, I will pay a monthly fee for my AI agent. And will I be upset with that? No, because she's going to replace so much elements of my life. She'll be my accountant, so I won't pay that annual fee to have my taxes done. Samantha will do that for me. She'll shop for my insurance. I'll deal directly with the insurance company. I won't need an insurance agent. That'll be out of the equation. If I want to buy a new home, my agent will deal with the broker's agents. Again, a avatar or whatever you want to call it, and there'll be no real estate agent. Now, you might say, how is this going to affect the employment? If everybody is dealing with each other through AI agents, what are people going to do? Well, my AI agent will present to me as a businessman opportunities. Kerry, I've been going through your emails, and you have a number of people who want to collaborate with you, and you have some affiliate marketing opportunities. You need to take advantage of them. Well, Samantha, I don't have time to build that in. Don't worry about it, Kerry. I'll take care of it. I'll build it into your website. I'll optimize it. I'll create the avatar that looks like you that will show up in your video. You won't have to do it, Kerry. I'll do it, and I'll pay for myself. That's where we're going. And so what I'm saying is I dumped SoundHound. SoundHound's a great company, and SoundHound's going to be an AI agent that's going to be in every fast food restaurant in the country, but it'll probably be owned by some other company. So I realized that and said, when someone comes and buys, you get a 20% bump in price. I need more than that. I need the company that is going to change my world, who is going to give me the workflow of that AI agent that is going to run my life. That's who I need. That's who I and my agent, my AI agent, will interact with and save me money and make me money. So the world is going to change to where knowledge is a commodity. It's like water. It just comes when you need it. But so who is going to be rewarded is the creators, the people who see what's coming and then can profit off of it, and who can build an AI agent who makes them money. That's where the money's going to be made in the future. That's why I have moved my perspective out beyond 3 years. 3 years is going to take care of the build out. But it's the next 3-4 years that's going to be the big payoff. Once the build-out's there, the compute's there, the general learning is there, that's when the big money's going to be made. And the providers are Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta. And there'll be a new one. There'll be somebody who will say, I figured this out, and I'm going to make it. Now, how do you find them? You say, I don't have the ability to do that. I don't have the time to do it. I still have a 9-to-5 job. 8 to 5, 8 to 6, 8 to 8. You need to align yourself with someone who is thinking beyond tomorrow, beyond next year. 6, 8 years. How the world is going to change. I laugh and I say, my AI agent will force me to get a new car. Because in 8 years, I'll be 90 years old. Almost. Kerry, the world needs you to get an autonomous automobile. And that'll happen. And I'm okay with it. Because it's an opportunity. And if I can see it, you can see it. And you can take advantage of it. So think that way. If you like this kind of thinking, join our tribe. We still have room for about another 100 people. I hope to have that done by the end of the year. And then what will happen is my AI agent will come in and help me service those 1,000 people so that maybe I can add another 1,000. My AI agent will give me that ability. I don't know when that will happen, but I know it'll happen. And that's going to change Wall Street immensely. The knowledge will become a commodity. That's what Wall Street has over you right now. They have access to the knowledge, they know how to interpret it, and they know how to act on it. You don't. But that's changing. Trust me. Okay, we have an opportunity that your father, your grandfather, your no one in the world has ever had. The ball's in your court.